Hey, what's up, peeps? Tech That Travy here. And today we got something different. So we got a box opening from Amazon. The box has already been opened, but I thought this would be cool. So what's inside this box is 6 Funko figurines. And eventually I'll be getting my shelves on the wall. So when you see my videos, you'll see a backdrop. And I'll have the Funkos in the back with some lighting on the shelves. And then my black poster Panther in the background. But let's get this open and see which Funkos we got today. So first off, we have the Thor Ragnarok Gladiator Hulk. So I know a bunch of people are not, they didn't like Thor. They said there was too much comedy in it. But I thought it was just enough comedy to make me love the movie. I would rate this movie in the top 5 of Marvel movies. Sorry if you disagree. I'm sorry. I just love the movie. And this is the first figurine, Thor Ragnarok, number 241 in the Funko Pop series. This one's going down. Next up, we have my favorite character ever in the Dragon Ball Z world, and that is Future Trunks. So this thing is amazing. Future Trunks with the blue jacket and the sword with the yellow sheath. Is the sheath on his back? I don't know. Orange sheath, whatever. You know what I meant. But here's Trunks, man. This figure is pretty cool, and it's number 107 in the Funko Pop series. Next up, so since I have the Black Panther poster in the background, I had to go out and get my boy T'Challa, Black Panther. You know what I mean. So here is T'Challa, Black Panther. So on Amazon when I purchased it, I seen it in this form. So I thought it was actually T'Challa without the mask because I wanted to get him without the mask. But it came in and it actually had a mask on it. I mean, it is not the worst. It's still Black Panther. It's a pretty cool collector's item. And you'll see this guy on my shelf in my videos to come. But this is number 273 in the Funko Pop series. If you're looking to get a Black Panther Funko Pop, this is a pretty good one to get. So next up, since I got Black Panther, I had to get the boy Eric Killmonger because Michael B. Jordan did his thing in the movie. I think Michael B. Jordan did a solid performance. It is definitely better than the role he got put in when he played Johnny Blaze in Fantastic Four. Why did they do that to him? Johnny Storm, Johnny Blaze. Did I say that wrong? I don't know. Sorry, I don't like Fantastic Four that much. But anyway, Michael B. Jordan redeemed himself as Eric Killmonger in the Black Panther movie. If you haven't seen it, go out and see it. But here is Eric Killmonger, man. Definitely a great character. This is when he just had his dreads and his vest on. His vest kind of looked like Vegeta's vest. They had a bunch of memes on it. You see it right here. But definitely a cool figurine. This is number 278 in the Funko Pop series. If you're interested in getting the boy Eric Killmonger, whoo, fire. So next up, we got 2 more in the box. And who do we have? So one of my favorite characters in Mortal Kombat ever. If you can guess this down below before you see it, let me know. Anyway, my boy, get over here, Soul Snatching Scorpion. This is the man. This is an actual Mortal Kombat X figurine. My boy Scorpion, man. Scorpion's that dude. Like, Scorpion take off his mask, he got a flaming skull, man. You can think he's what's his name? Ghost Rider. You can think he's Ghost Rider or something. But no, it's just Scorpion. Boy with the yellow suit, black mask. We getting it. Get over here. Scorpion. Number 250 in the Funko series. If you like your boy Scorpion, go out and get one of these figurines. It's pretty awesome. Don't you agree? Look at him. Snatching your soul, just like that. Maybe not snatching your soul, that's a little graphic. But he is cool. Last but not least, the best character in the DC universe. Hands down, if you say anyone else is better than this character, I don't know what to tell you. Just go that way with that. But it's that man, Batman. Da, 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 da. So this is Batman from Batman vs Superman. So this is the Batfleck, Ben Affleck Batman. I know a bunch of people hate it, the Ben Affleck version of Batman, but oh well, man. This definitely, I like Batman as Ben Affleck better than anyone else. Christian Bale did a great job, but anyone could have did Christian Bale's job. Anyone could play Batman, not really, but Batfleck did his job. And this is the Superman vs. Batman edition, which is number 84 in the Funko Pop series. So if you guys are interested in this, there's definitely a lot of Batman figurines for Funko. There's a bunch of variations for all these figurines, but I had to get this one because it looked the coolest out of all the ones I've seen. But you guys, this is number 84, Batman in the Funko Pop series. Look at him. Look at him. Anyway, you guys, this has been Tech Vet Travy with a random video of me unboxing some Funko Pops that I'm going to put up for display and videos to come. You'll see them on my shelving unit when I actually get it in tomorrow. But you guys, I hope you like this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on this channel. There will be so much things to see. tech reviews, game reviews, phone reviews, and the news. I don't know why I just did that. Anyway, like and subscribe to this video, you guys. Take care. Peace.